Put it on stun. Small one here. Alright, so let's do this then. I think this is the best made vacuum, but it has a really bad part, and it's this part right here. Now I'm going to show you how to change it. I'm going to walk through this. We're going to put this bad boy in, and you make the decision. If you got one of these and it's went bad, you make the decision whether or not it's worth fixing it. I just did this repair on one of our other ones, and it was fairly simple to do. Just set of Torx bits, and I think it's going to take me a half hour to do, but I'll speed it up. No, neither. All right, so if you come back here, how this comes off is you pull this out. I learned that the first time. First time I took it off, it came off rough. All right, so here's this T10. I'm going to take these two screws out on top. Yep. And that's going to get me into a Torx right here. A Torx there and a Torx there. Got a couple T20s up here. Got a magnet here. Grab my different ones, and then there's this one down in here. I had to switch to, it's still a T20, but knob here, there'll be a Phillips on the bottom side. And you're ready. Okay, there we go. Ooh. The blow gun does work a little bit better, and plus might as well get all this stuff out of here. This thing just sets out. Before I do that though, take a picture. Smartphone time. Get yourself a few different angles of how the thing sets in there, and the wiring where it goes. That's just what I do. I do that all the time. Okay, the thing just sets up out of there easy enough. If you come to the face of it, there's two Phillips. This one unplugs kind of stiff there. A little difficult holding these together, put them screws in, but I would recommend not to over tighten these, because both of them that I took apart were really loose, so apparently they don't need to be very tight. Ooh, I think that's already all in there. I'm going to put the knob on. I don't have my hands anywhere near the electrical. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Moment of truth. Oh, yeah. There we go. Alright, so here we go. We're going to slide the handle down in. We're going to drop a couple T20s down in there to something small to get in here for this up here. Put the knob on. You're gonna have to turn it a little bit sideways so you can actually get to the Phillips. And actually, I'm gonna turn it like that. Yeah, maybe I'll even turn it over here. Yeah, that's even better, coming from this direction. Now, this vacuum's right beside me, and there's really, I've not been around other vacuums that you could talk to right beside it, like this one. So, but there's a price for that quietness. The price is replacing this. Oh man. Hope these things last forever. Actually, nothing lasts forever, so see ya.